Hi, I'm back for a short amount of time, but I am gonna test how big can each TNT block firepower it has. So over here, I have 9. Here, I have 4, and here I have 1. So I'm gonna test the first one. Not very much. Well, compared to the next one, this one's gonna be a lot bigger. You can tell the difference in size by far. This was about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 7, and this one was like 12 by 10. And I'm gonna test the last one. It's gonna like make a little thing around it to make it look a lot different, for water can pass through all of them. See, it keeps on going. And the bad part about gravel and sand, if you have like it up really high, I'll show you an example. If you mine down underneath the sand, and then you're like, oh, I need to come back up, but the other way is on fire, and I don't have anything to put it out because it keeps on burning for no apparent reason. And then you go try drill up, you'd be crushed by sand. Same as gravel if you tap on that, but that's a only bad thing about it. I'm gonna show you a good way to mine sometimes. I drill a straight hole down, not too far, but you might run into lava. But if you go like this and drill a slight hole, get out, you can... Oh, this one gone wrong. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Let me try in a different area. Thing about this is, I should probably put one there just in case it goes down the wrong path. But you put one there, you light it, it goes down, and it makes a big explosion. Bad part about it is when the explosion hits on sand, it goes like that. But good news is, if you do it on land, you won't be harmed at all. Most common things you find in a village, though, it would be food. Oh, there's exactly what I was looking for, actually. Then you find this. In my opinion, you always want to put this out no matter what. Since there's so much wood by, it can send a flame and catch pretty much anything on fire. But there's always a chest in here. Usually it has, depends on what you're talking about. First, I'm going to talk about it on, if you have a tablet and you have a pocket edition, you can get obsidian, pretty much any iron sword, or pretty much anything iron related. Very rarely, I only got this once, I found a diamond in there, 3 of them, but those are hard to get. I'm gonna do this since this is only a creative world, but if you don't know this is coming or whatnot, you should have water on your hand or put water around your thing. And for if you're in a forest or something, let's just say lava's on the ground and you don't know where it is, and all the trees are starting to catch on fire. Okay, this is going to represent lava. Going by the trees. Like, if you don't find it immediately, it could burn down everything in sight. Like, on one world, I had a forest and stuff. It looked awesome, but when I found like half the trees were burnt down, I had like 8 water or things on me. I didn't have enough, but there's a lake nearby, luckily, and I put the fire out before it got to my house. Well, this pretty much wraps up this video. So I have one last thing to say. If you're in the middle of nowhere, and pretend this is the middle of nowhere, and there's no land for miles, and you had no food, no wood to do anything, like, you only could find lights and stuff where you could do that, and you had one tree on your island, you should probably delete that world, or because you couldn't starve to death, but you could get really, it would pretty much suck for you. Also, to know if lava comes in first in that, it usually makes cobblestone. Well, I'm gonna just show you what it is if you do it completely opposite. If you do it completely opposite, then you come out with obsidian. Why I like this is you need to not place it on it sometimes, but you need to actually like be there when it happens. Sometimes turn into that, but there's a better chance of getting an obsidian with lava and then water, not water then lava. So that wraps up this video, so bye, and please subscribe, and thank you.